Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. Today we have a video about the #1 way to make money in affiliate marketing without a website, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. Let's go. First, we need to remember what affiliate marketing is, right? Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product and earning a commission on the sale of that product. So every time we promote a product and sell it for someone else, we're gonna make money on that sale. So we can start a business without really needing a product, or we don't really need anything but to be able to share the link to other people, right? So how do people use it? People usually have things like blogs or websites where they include their testimonials and they include the link in which you could click so you could go and buy the product, and so that person with that website makes money, right? But we're gonna teach you how to do this without a website. We're gonna teach you how to do it using social media. That's right, we're gonna use social media. I'm going to teach you the different ways people will use social media to promote these links and make some money. So stay tuned all the way till the end, because I will give you a lot of information in this video that you're going to want to know. So where do I find, first of all, this affiliate marketing opportunities? We are going to go to an affiliate marketplace, right? And these are affiliate marketplaces like Clickbank, affiliate marketplaces like Amazon Associates, affiliate marketplaces like CJ Affiliates, right? So these three web pages are affiliate marketplaces, and the way they work is they will connect you with products that are trying to be sold, right, through people like you. They're trying to be sold online. They're usually online courses and stuff like that, although you will find a lot of physical products in there, especially in Amazon, right? Amazon products are going to be one of the most familiar ones to us, right? Because you have probably used Amazon before. I have used Amazon before. I've used it a bunch of times. So when you think about being able to earn money through promoting something from Amazon, right? Like the many times I've done it with friends and family, and I've said, hey, this product is amazing, and they've gone and bought it in Amazon. If I had given them a link, a personalized link, they would have given me a commission, right? I would have made money off that sale with just promoting that product that I already like, right? So it's a great opportunity. Make sure you sign up to these web pages, and make sure that if you find any more, sign up to, there is also Share a Sale or the affiliate club, right? So these web pages will help you learn. They will help you guide you through the process of affiliate marketing. And if you already know affiliate marketing, then you know how it works, right? And you know that you could really share this link anywhere, but as long as people click the link, you will make money, right? So a lot of people are worried that they don't want to make a web page, they don't want to do a blog, they don't want to do stuff like that. But I'm here to teach you that you don't need to do any of that to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you the way to make money in affiliate marketing without a website. So we're going to use, instead of a website, social media, right? So the way that we're going to make money in this way is going to be through social media. So after we sign up on these web pages, right, make sure you go to all of them. Make sure you sign up in the affiliate club. The affiliate club is very helpful. They have a lot of courses, and they have a lot of videos on this whole subject, and they will teach you step by step how to do the best affiliate marketing and take the most advantage of affiliate marketing that you could have, right, and you could take. So make sure you visit them, make sure you sign up. It's free. And so as we were saying, we are going to go to these web pages. We're going to sign up, right? We're going to create an account, and after we create an account, we're going to go find products that we are passionate about, right? We're going to go find products that we like. As I said, you can go into Amazon and you can buy something from Amazon and say, wow, I really like this product, so I'm going to go look for it in the Amazon Associates webpage, and once I find it, I'm going to make sure that I make a post about it to my friends, to my family, on my Facebook maybe, right? On my regular Facebook. Or let's say that I want to find some other type of product. I don't really want to promote it on my personal page, right? So we can create pages on Facebook. We can find pages on Instagram that are dedicated to the stuff that we want to sell, right? So for example, we're going to take an example. We're going to go to Clickbank. We're going to sign in Clickbank. I already have an account here. And there is a product that I always like to use because there's so many examples on how you could be making money without a website, right? So here is the example. We're gonna go to Clickbank. We are going to go to art and entertainment, and then we are going to go into this one right here. So this product right here is a very good product. Let's take a look at all of the different things that makes it a good product, right? So first, let's look at this information, especially the gravity. The gravity is how many people are selling it. So just having a high number of people selling it tells you that it's a good product that is getting bought because people are investing money into selling that product. Then on top of that, it could be a physical product, it could be a digital product, and you get a very good commission off of either sell. So it's a product worth checking out. It's Piano for All. So we're gonna click here on Piano for All. And after we go into the page, we see it's a very well constructed page. I like it very much because I think it's something that's attractive to everybody, adults and children, and also it has a lot of tools for affiliate marketing. So the way that we're gonna find these tools is we're gonna go down here to the affiliate marketing area, right? The affiliate area. We're gonna click on it, and here we're gonna get all the information that we need to know, and all the tools that is gonna help us sell this product, right? So I want to show you a few examples of how people are already selling this thing so that you know and have an idea of what we're talking about, right? These are real life examples that I'm about to show you. So if you want to go look for them, you can find them online. If you go to Facebook, if you go to Instagram, you can find this example. So first of all, we're gonna go to Facebook. Here on Facebook, the first thing I did was just type Piano for All, right? It sends me to this page, and here in this page we have a bunch of posts about learning to play the piano. So we're gonna click on this one, and it's gonna send us to the Piano for All page. So if I buy Piano for All, after clicking on that, I will that person will make money, right? So if we did the same thing with a better aesthetic, make it look nicer, and then we on top of that made it a Facebook ad and put money on it, we could make a lot of money. I mean, if you put $20 in there, a lot of people are gonna watch it, and that's just one sell. If you get one sell, you'll make your money back. You know what I mean? Because if we look over here and how much you can make at least $21 for one sell. So if you put in $20 to a Facebook ad, you will make your money back with just one sell. So it's a very well constructed business, very well rounded, where if you invest the money, you're gonna get the money back. And then on top of that, let's go to Instagram. Let's see what people are doing on Instagram, right? So we're gonna go here on Instagram, and here we see another piano page with a lot of piano posts, right? It has a good amount of followers, right? And they have a link over here on the bio, and if we click on the link, it sends us to the Piano for All webpage. So as I said, basically, if we are trying to sell something and we don't want to create a webpage for it, we could do it through social media very easily. I'm gonna show you one other example of how to do this, and we're gonna go to YouTube. So here in YouTube, I'm gonna type in Piano for All. I'm gonna go to the first result, which is this review. Here in this review, we see that the guy has a link in the bio, and if we click on this link, it's gonna send us to the Piano for All webpage. So what does this tell us? It tells us that if we buy Piano for All, this guy is gonna get some money. So that's the way. That's how people are selling products without a webpage. That's how people are selling stuff through social media. Basically, you have to create a channel, and then you have to create traffic in that channel. And then that traffic is gonna translate into sales, and those sales are going to translate into commissions, right? And you could sign up to more than one affiliate marketing marketplace, right? And you could find a lot of products that you're very much interested in, and then you can promote those products and make money on those products. So make sure you check it out, make sure you try it. If you have tried it and if you have made money through this, please let us know in the comments. We'll be very glad to hear about it and know in which way you've made money, or if you have seen our other videos and you've made money in any other of the ways that we have taught you how to make money. Let us know in the comments, because we'll be very happy to know that our ways are working for you. Remember, we're constantly uploading new videos on how to make money online, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you stay tuned, and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you're one of the first ones to know next time we have another awesome video on how to make money for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you have an awesome day, and we'll see you later. Take care.